In this chapter, we are going to explore a topic that I know many of you are particularly interested in: natural laxatives and at home remedies for constipation relief. While over the counter laxatives can be effective, they aren't always the best option for everyone, especially for those who prefer more natural approaches to health. Today, we'll dive into fast acting natural remedies, explore Ayurvedic and traditional alternatives, and I will share some practical do it yourself laxatives that you can easily prepare at home. We also compare these natural remedies to their over the counter counterparts, examining their efficacy, safety, and long term benefits. Let's start by talking about natural laxatives that work quickly. When we think of natural remedies for constipation, certain foods come to mind. Food that are not only effective but also safe and easy to incorporate into your diet. These are remedies that have been used for generations, backed by both tradition and science. One of the most well known natural laxatives is prunes. Prunes, or dried plums, have long been recommended for their laxative effects. They are rich in dietary fiber, particularly soluble fiber, which adds bulk to the stool and helps it pass more easily through the intestines. But what makes prunes especially effective is their high content of sorbitol, a natural sugar alcohol that has an osmotic effect. This means sorbitol draws water into the intestines, softening the stool and stimulating bowel movements. Studies have shown that consuming prunes can significantly increase stool frequency and improve stool consistency, making them a powerful and a fast acting natural remedy for constipation. Another excellent natural laxative is chia seeds. Chia seeds are a true superfood, rich in fiber, omega 3 fatty acids, and various micronutrients. When soaked in water, chia seeds forms a gel-like substance that can help to bulk up and promote stool regular bowel movements. The high fiber content, particularly soluble fibers, helps to absorb water in the intestines, making the stool softer and easier to pass. Additionally, the gel-like consistency of a soaked chia seeds act as a lubricant in the intestines, further aiding the passage of stool. Aiding, Adding chia seeds to your diet is simple. You can mix them into smoothies, yogurt, oatmeals, or simply soak them in water or juice to create chia seed pudding. Flax seeds are another powerful natural laxative that deserve a spot in your pantry. Like chia seeds, flax seeds are high in both soluble and insoluble fiber, which helps to bulk up the stool and promote regularity. But flax seeds have also a unique advantage. They are rich in lignans, a type of phytoestrogen that has been shown to promote digestive health and may even reduce the risk of certain cancers. To get the most benefit from flax seeds, it's best to grind them before consuming them, as whole flaxes can pass through the digestive system tract without digesting or undigested. You can sprinkle them flaxes on cereal, mix them into smoothies, or even bake them into muffins or bread. Now that we have covered some of the most effective natural laxatives, let's shift our focus to Ayurvedic and traditional alternatives. Ayurveda, the ancient system of medicine that originated in India, has a wealth of knowledge when it comes to digestive health. Many Ayurvedic practices have been used for thousands of years to promote regular bowel movements. and relieve constipation. And modern science is beginning to recognize their effectiveness. One of the most popular Ayurvedic remedies for constipation is Triphala. Triphala is a traditional Ayurvedic herbal formulation that consists of three fruits: Amalaki, which is Indian gooseberry, Vivitaki, and Haritaki. Each of these fruits has own unique properties, but when combined, they can create a powerful remedy for digestive health. Triphala is known for its ability to gently cleanse the colon, promote regular bowel movements, and support overall digestive function. And it works as a mild laxative, helping to soften the stool and stimulate movements without causing dependency or any harsh side effects. What makes Triphala particularly interesting is its adaptogenic properties. Adaptogens are substances that help the body adapt to stress and maintain balance. And in the context of the digestive health, this means the triphala not only helps to relieve constipation but also supports the overall health of the digestive system, making it a valuable addition to holistic approach to digestive wellness. So, triphala is typically taken in powder or capsule form, and it can be consumed with warm water before bed to promote regularity. Another traditional remedy that aligns well with modern science and modern understanding is the use of castor oil. So, castor oil has been used for centuries as a natural laxative. It's derived from the seeds of the castor plant, and its active component, ricinoleic acid, is responsible for its laxative effect. When taken orally, castor oil stimulates the muscles of the intestines, causing them to contract more frequently and forcefully, which helps to move the stool through the intestines. So, castor oil is considered a stimulant laxative, meaning it works relatively quickly, often within 2 to 6 hours. However, because it's potent, it should be used with caution, not on a regular basis. It's also important to consult with a healthcare provider before using castor oil, especially pregnant women, as it can cause uterine contractions. Now let's talk about some DIY at-home laxatives that you can easily prepare using ingredients you likely already have in your kitchen. These remedies are not only effective but also affordable and accessible, making them a great option for those who prefer natural solutions. One simple and effective at-home remedy is a warm lemon water. Drinking a glass of warm lemon water the first thing in the morning on an empty stomach can help to stimulate digestion and promote bowel movements. Lemon juice acts as a natural stimulant for the digestive system, and the warmth of the water helps to kickstart the digestive process. This combination can help to soften the stool and making it easier to pass. Plus, lemon water is hydrating and provides a dose of vitamin C, which is an added bonus for your overall health. Another easy at-home remedy is aloe vera juice. Aloe vera is known for its soothing and healing properties, but it also has a mild laxative effect when consumed internally. Aloe vera juice can help soften the stool and promote regular bowel movements by increasing the water content in the intestines. It's important to choose a high quality pure aloe vera juice without added sugars or any other artificial ingredients. Start with a small amount, such as 1 or 2 tablespoons, and gradually increase if needed. For those who enjoy smoothies, adding a combination of high fiber fruit and seeds can increase a natural laxative effect. For example, if you can blend prunes, apples, and chia seeds with a bit of water or almond milk to create a delicious and effective smoothie that promotes regularity. The fiber from the fruits and chia seeds combined with the natural sorbitol in the prunes can help to soften the stool and stimulate bowel movements. This is a great option for those who prefer a more filling and nutrient dense remedy. Another effective at home laxative is the combination of flaxseed oil and orange juice. Flaxseed oil is rich in omega 3 fatty acids and has a mild laxative effect when combined with the natural sugars and the fibers in the orange juice. It can help to stimulate digestion and promote regular bowel movements. Simply mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of flaxseed oil with a glass of fresh orange juice and drink it in the morning on an empty stomach. With so many natural remedies available, you might be wondering how they compare to the over the counter laxatives in terms of efficacy, safety, and long term benefits. Let's take a closer look at the differences between these options. One of the primary advantages of the natural laxative is that they are generally gentler on the body and less likely to cause dependency or any harsh side effects. Foods like prunes, chia seeds, and flax seeds work by adding bulk to the stool and promoting regular bowel movements, much like bulk forming laxatives such as psyllium husk. However, because they are whole foods, they also provide additional nutrients and health benefits that over the counter laxatives do not. Ayurvedic remedies like Triphala offers a holistic approach to digestive health, supporting not just regularity but also overall digestive function and balance. This makes them an excellent long-term solution for those looking to maintain digestive health naturally. On the other hand, over-the-counter laxatives, while effective, are often best suited for short-term use. Stimulant laxatives, for example, can be harsh on the digestive system and may lead to dependency if used regularly. And safety is another key consideration when comparing natural and over the counter laxatives. Natural remedies are generally safe for most people when used appropriately, but it's still important to use them in moderation and to consult with a healthcare provider if you have any underlying health conditions or are pregnant. Over the counter laxatives, while convenient, should be used with caution, especially stimulant laxatives, which can cause cramping, dehydration, and electrolyte imbalances if overused. One of the significant long term benefits of natural laxatives is that they can be incorporated into your daily diet as part of a balanced, healthy lifestyle. For example, regularly consuming fiber rich foods like prunes, flax seeds, and chia seeds can help to prevent constipation and support overall digestive health without the need for additional supplements or medications. This makes natural laxatives a sustainable option for maintaining regularity over time. In summary, natural laxatives and at home remedies offer a gentle, effective, and often safer alternatives to the over the counter laxatives. Whether you are dealing with occasional constipation or looking for a long-term solutions to support digestive health, these natural options provide a wealth of benefits without the harsh side effects and that can come with some medications. By incorporating these remedies into your daily routine and pairing them with a healthy diet, regular exercise, and proper hydration, you can promote regularity and maintain a healthy digestive system naturally. As always, it's important to approach any treatment, natural or otherwise, with a sense of balance and mindfulness. Listen to your body. Do not hesitate to seek advice from healthcare provider if you have any concerns or questions. The goal is not just to relieve constipation, but to support overall health and well-being in a way that's sustainable and aligned with your individual needs. In the next chapter, we'll dive into the role of lifestyle changes and managing constipation, exploring how diet, exercise, and stress management can all contribute to healthier, more regular digestive system. Stay with us, and as we continue this journey towards understanding and managing constipation in a holistic and personalized way. I am Bimal Morazan, and you are watching and listening to the Godsphere podcast.